Good morning, children. In previous classes, we have finished Unit 2, that is Stitching Time, the lesson and some of the exercises. Today, we are going to see about the answer the following, that is page number 91. So, you take your classwork and note down these question answers, children. So, what all we are writing, you just take it down and copy down in your classwork so that it will be easy for you to learn. Okay, now we are going to write about the question answers. Here in this question, who is the main person in the story? So in page number 91, they are given as a listen, think and answer. I have written as the answer the following. So you write, who is the main person? Who is the main person in the story? Who is the main person in the story? Answer is Shyam is the main person in the story. Shyam is the name of the boy. So Shyam is the main person in the story. Okay, so already we taught this lesson. So copy down this in your classwork, children. You have to get ready for the annual exam. And question number 2. What happened to Shyam's shirt? What happened to Shyam's shirt? So, அவனோட ஷர்ட்டுக்கு என்ன ஆச்சு? So, what happened? Answer is the seams of Shyam's shirt came apart. Seams means அந்த தையல் பிரிஞ்சு போச்சுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா? That's it. The seams of Shyam's shirt. அவன் ஷர்ட் போடும்போது அவன் ஷர்ட்டோட தையல் வந்து பிரிஞ்சு போச்சு. So, Shyam's shirt came apart. Apartனா தனியாக அந்த தையல் வந்து பிரிஞ்சு போச்சு. The seams of Shyam's shirt came apart. Like that you have to learn. Why did Veni visit Shyam? Why did Veni visit Shyam? Veni visited, Veni our friend Ilya. Why she visited Veni to Shyam's house? Veni visited Shyam. Veni visited Shyam to go cycling with him. Veni visited Shyam to go cycling with him. Then fourth one. What was wrong with iron box? அவங்க iron boxக்கு என்ன ஆச்சு? What was wrong with the iron box? What was wrong? The light did not glow. அந்த iron boxல light வந்து எரியல. Okay, the light did not glow. And iron box remain cold. So light area heat agala illaya, so it remain cold. Okay, this is the answer for the fourth one. And fifth one, what was the last broken thing that you have broken? You might have broken some of the toys. No, so what was the last thing? Last broken thing that you or someone someone else fixed. How did you do it? How did you do it? Okay, the answer is I broke my toy car. So you can write, you can have the I broke my toy car. So toy car orange, but I managed to fix it. But I managed to fixed with glue. Okay, so these are the 5 question answers in your book. So who is the main person in the story? Shyam is the main person in the story. What happened to Shyam's shirt? The seams of Shyam's shirt came apart. Why did Veni visit Shyam? Veni visited Shyam to go cycling with him. What was wrong with iron box? The light did not glow and the iron box remained cold. What was the last broken thing that you or someone else fixed? And how did you do it? I broke my toy car, but I managed to fix it with glue. So this is the question answer in this lesson. So till page number 93 we have finished. Now we will move on to the page number 94. Circle and fill the correct letter cluster. Circle and fill the correct letter cluster. That is page number 94. So if you have the book, you take a book, children. We'll complete this one. Here they given the picture as a badge and a gem. Some of the pictures they are given and the words also given. So you have to write the missing letter. So first one is BA and dash dash dash. In the bracket they are given. Mele kuduthirukanga, so I am writing in the side. GE or DGE you have to write. So you have to write BA, D. This one you have to write GE. That is the badge. Then second one gem dash EM. In the bracket they are given DGE and next word is G and E. So you can write GEM. Then dash dash NGER. Option they are given is GI and GE. So you can write GI. So GINGER, ginger. Okay. Then fourth one FRI dash dash dash. In the bracket he has given GI and DGE. So this is fridge. So FRI, DG and E, fridge. Okay, these are the 4 words they are given. And look at the picture and fill with GE, DGE and GI. The next one is also like the same thing. They are given the picture and you have to see the picture and write everything. Next one is, look at the picture. Same page only. Look at the picture and fill with GE, DGE and GI. Okay, so look at the picture and fill with GE, DGE and GI. Okay, yeah. So now first one is BRI. In this they are given slightly options kuduthirukanga, but here they are given with GE, DGE. This is D. Okay, DGE and GI. So we have to say this. First one is BRI, DGE. So D, G and E. That is bridge. In second one, ERMS. dash dash RMS they are given. So you can write GERMS, that is germs. The next one is lodge they are given, LODGE. So that is the lodge. Hotel room lodge solvangale, that's the lodge. The next one is giraffe, GIRAFFE. So you can write GI. So these are the missing words they are given in page number 93. Now the next one is let us practice. In this let us practice. What is the time? Father is there and son is there. What is the time? One boy is asking. The time is 10:15. So even in your home also, you can ask some of the time your parents might have, what's the time now? Ipo enna time appdin kekkumbod time 12:30, 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, like that you will see. So what is the time? How to answer? You have to answer is the time is 10:15. Okay, yeah. So every question kekno, what is the time? The time is 10:15. Here they are given the clock and they ask the time. Let us practice. What is the time? In this let us practice la, what is the time they are given? Page number 95. Okay, so let us practice la. Here they are given the clock and the 9:10. What is the time? You have to ask the question. Here they are given the clock. I am just drawing the clock like this. Okay. So this is the clock they are given. So now the time they are given is, small hand is in the 9 and big hand is in the 10. So what is the time they are asking? Means you have to write the time is 9:10. Okay, the time is 9:10. Again the fill in the blanks they are given in the same page. Fill in the blanks also. Here they are given another clock. Here also they are given the time. They ask the question and you have to see the time and tell the answer. Okay, and write the answer in the given line. So here the time is 11:20. So small hand will be in 11 and this will be in 20. So here the father is asking dash is the time. So dash is the time the father is asking. In page number 94 you have to write what is the time. What the son is telling, the time is dash they are given. So suppose if they are given the diagram means you have to write the answer. So 11:20. Okay. So this is the way you have to ask the question what is the time and the time is 11:20, like this you have to answer. So this is from the page number 95. Now we will move on to the page number 96, that is the grammar. Joining the two sentences using the and. So in this page number you take 96, page number 96. Page number 96, we are going to see about the joining words. Joining words. So in these sentences, look at the picture. They are given the three pictures. This boy is telling, I like orange, I like apple, I like orange and apple. Okay, so I like in the same sentence. You should not repeat it again and again. So she saw a lion, she saw a tiger. So listen, this is an example. I like orange, I like apple. So two sentences they are given. I like apple. So ரெண்டுத்துலையுமே I like இருக்கிறதால you can write one time. I like என்னென்ன பிடிக்கும் உங்களுக்கு, ஆரஞ்சும் பிடிக்கும் ஆப்பிளும் பிடிக்கும். ஸோ யூ கேன் ரைட் ஆரஞ்ச் அண்ட் ஆப்பிள். திஸ் இஸ் த அண்டுன்றது தான் ஜாயினிங் வேர்ட்ஸ். ஓகே, So this and is the joining words. You should not write, oh, I like orange, I like apple. I like orange and apple. Here the sentence they are given the full stop. So two sentences are there. So if you join the two sentences, you have to write one time, I like orange and apple. Next one is, she saw a lion. She saw a lion in the zoo. Then she saw a tiger. So our lion pakra, tiger pakra. So how to join the sentence and write? She saw a tiger and a lion. Okay. So you can join the sentences and write. Don't use the word she saw. One time you can write. She saw a tiger and a lion. Sorry, lion and tiger. She saw lion and a tiger. Okay. So when we want to join the two sentences that are the same, we use and. So when the sentences are joined பண்ணும்போது the same ஆயிருந்தாக்கா in between we have to use and. So you have to strike the word. I like and ரெண்டு இருக்குது, ஒரு I like கிடைக்கும். அதே மாதிரி she saw ரெண்டு இருக்குது, ஒரு she saw போட்டால் போதும். Okay. So here are some of the examples. I like jelly and ice cream. We went on the slide and swings. My daddy is my hero and friends. So here I like jelly. எனக்கு ஜெல்லியும் பிடிக்கும் and ice cream. Okay. So jelly and ice cream ரெண்டுமே பிடிக்கும். So in between you can add and. We went on the slide. If you are going to the park means you will enter on the slide as well as the swing. Slide na theriyum sarkumaro and then swing வந்து ஊஞ்சல். So slide and swing. So you have to use and. Then my daddy is my hero and friend. My daddy is my hero and a friend. And friend also. Okay. So these are the words and joining the two words. Here they are given some of the examples. Join the pair of words using and. Cup and saucer, bat and ball, cow and calf. Okay. Join the pair. Join the pair of words using and. So join the pair of words using and. So this is from page number 97. Here in this they are given cup and saucer. Okay. Cup picture கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, then saucer picture கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. You have to write cup and saucer. Then if I gave the words dash in between, you have cup கொடுத்துட்டு dash கொடுத்து கேட்பேன். இப்போ இங்கே வந்து bat and here I gave the ball. So in the dash you can write bat and ball. Okay. And then cow, cough. Cow dash cough. So you can write cow and cough. Note down everything in your book. If you are having the book, you can note down in your book. If you are not having, you just write down in your classwork, children. Then cat and rat. Cat dash rat. So cat and rat. If you have taken your book means you can see the pictures. Here I am not able to draw the picture. I have just written the answer. Cup and saucer, bat and ball, cow and cough, cat and rat. And now the next one is strike the common words and join the sentences with and. So here they are given Kalai rides a bicycle and Kalai rides a bike. So two times Kalai rides வருது. So ஒரு தடவை அந்த Kalai rides strike off பண்ணிட்டு you have to strike the common words and then in the dash you have to join and write the sentences. Okay. Now we will say this one by one. So write everything in your classwork. We will check your classwork, children. Don't leave anything. Everything you have to write out. All the grammar we have taken the page number also I gave. So take your book and see the page number and write. If you are not having, you just copy down what I have given on the board. So strike the common words. This is also page number 97. Page number 97. Strike the common words. strike the common words and join the sentences. With and. So and வச்சு common words strike off பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கேன். Okay. Kalai rides a bicycle. Okay. Kalai rides a bike. So here you have to strike off the common words. Which is the common words? Kalai rides. So இது strike off பண்ணுங்க, rides strike off பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Okay. So answer எழுதும்போது answer is Kalai rides a bicycle and a bike. Can you understand, children? ஏன்னா அவங்க வந்து strike the common word கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So you strike the common word Kalai rides one time எழுந்தா போதும். So Kalai rides a bicycle and a bike and put the full stop. That's the main thing. Okay. We go to the shop. Second one. We go to shop. And then we go to park. We go to park. Okay. So here what we have to strike, you see, here we go to, inge we go to. So you strike off this we go to and answer you have to write is we go to shop and park. Okay, so this is the answer. And the third one, he bought a book. Book வாங்குறா, bought-னா வாங்குறது. He bought a book. He bought a pen. So அந்த he bought வந்து காமனாக இருக்கு இல்லையா? So strike off this he bought. So answer is he bought book and a pen. Okay, he bought a book and a pen. Then fourth one, Malar is writing. Malar is writing. Malar is reading. அப்படின்னு இருக்கு. Okay. Here, so Malar is writing. Malar is the Malar is one time strike off பண்ணிட்டு next you have to write answer is Malar is writing and reading. Malar is writing and reading. Okay, look at the picture and create the title using and. So இங்க வந்து look at the picture and create a title. Look at the picture and create a title. So they are given the some of the pictures. What picture? First one, the crow and the fox. The crow and the fox. And varudilla and the fox. Next one is ant கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, grasshopper கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. The ant and the grasshopper. The ant and the grasshopper. Ant and the grasshopper. And the next one is the monkey and the crocodile. Third one is story. The monkey, this is the title, and the crocodile. Okay, so you have to join the sentences like this, monkey and the crocodile. Okay children, so this is the joining words using the words and in between the two sentences. Okay, yeah. Now okay. Okay, children, so these are the joining words that we have seen so far. So strike the common words and join the sentences with and. Okay, yeah, and use pannu sollirken. So Kalai rides a bicycle, Kalai rides a bike. So whenever you are writing the sentences, if you are finished writing the sentences, you just put the full stop. So strike the common words sollirukanga. So Kalai rides in varudhal, you strike off the Kalai rides and write the answer. Kalai rides a bicycle and a bike. Then we go to shop, we go to park, we go to shop and park. Okay, we go to a strike off panna, strike the common words. So you strike off this one and put the full stop here. And here, he bought a book, he bought a pen, he bought a book and a pen. He bought a strike off panunga. Malar is writing, Malar is reading. So strike off this Malar is writing and reading. Look at the picture and create a title. They are given the crow and the fox, the ant and the grasshopper, the monkey and the crocodile. So these are the exercises from the page number 97. And then question answers I have given. Who is the main person in the story? Is Shyam's lesson is Shyam is the main person in the story. What happened to the Shyam shirt? The seams enna sonna the thaiyal vittu poradhu, the line joining the point. The seams of the Shyam's shirt came apart. Why did Veni visit Shyam? Veni visited Shyam to go cycling with him. What was wrong with the iron box? The light did not glow and the iron box remained cold. What was the last broken thing that you or someone else fixed and how did you do it? I broke my toy car but I managed to fix it with glue. So these are the question answers and some of the exercises we have written here, missing letters, everything. So go through this, children. Copy down in your classwork and learn the poem also I gave. What poem you have learned? That is about the little doctor. That is the memory poem for you. I am a doctor holding a stethoscope. That says your chest. Your heart is never at rest. So once again I am repeating already. We have learned this poem. I have written on the board. So take it down and copy down in the classwork. I am a doctor holding a stethoscope. Learn the spelling stethoscope. That says your chest. Your heart is never at rest. I am a doctor holding a stethoscope. That let me hear. All is well, no need to fear. So these are the 8 lines only they are given for you. So same spelling. So learn the spelling stethoscope, chest, heart, rest, hear, fear, need. Okay. So the rhyming word is chest, rest, hear, fear. Only the 4 rhyming words. 4 lines only they are given. So learn those spellings: stethoscope, chest, heart, never, rest, and then hear, fear, and need. Okay. So learn this all the 8 lines and meanings I gave for this lesson, Shyam lesson, meanings, opposites, everything I gave it to you. Okay, seams, a line where 2 things join. Crumble, to be pressed. Kaseki poturvan solvenge, or short or nalla illena pidikkalena. Tuke kaseki visiredi, that is crumble, to be pressed. Scan, to look or read every part something very quickly. Quick and scan pandradhu solvanga, that is. And sneak, doing something secretly. Yarukkum theriyama seira oruthirittu vela illaya. Parents ku namu oru thappu pannita. Sneak, that is doing something secretly. Repair, not working correctly. Okay, then opposites also I gave: screw, unscrew, friend, enemy, cold, hot, last, first, small, big. And tenses also I gave: take, took, come, came, remain, remind, fixed, unfixed. Then plurals: wire, wires, cycle, cycles, knob, knobs, iron box and iron boxes. So these are the meanings, opposite tenses, plurals. Everything I gave in this lesson is teaching time. Okay. So learn all this and what all I gave, you just copy down in the classwork. And this is from the Unit 2, The Little Doctor is the memory poem. And stitching time is the lesson. And in the next class, we will see that Amazing Ammachi, that is a story. So that we will see in the next class, children. That is very nice story. What Ammachi means, you know. your grandmother. So what all I gave today, I gave the question answer and the joining the words and using the and. It's very easy only. So go through this, learn everything what all I gave. This will be coming for the your quarterly, annual exam. And poem, all the 8 lines is the memory poem. Your homework is learn poem. Learn poem. That is page number. In 88 they are given this poem, The Little Doctor. Only 8 lines are there. So The Little Doctor. Okay, 8 lines. And write. This is the homework for you. And write 3 times. Okay. And learn the spelling, children. Okay, children. So this is the homework I gave. So learn the poem 8 lines, The Little Doctor, and learn this also. Okay, children. We will see in the next class. Thank you.